Hello, my name is Hannah Madden. I'm a student of the Biology 6200 module, Characteristics of Biodiversity. I'm also manager of the Terrestrial Protected Areas on St. Eustatius, and this video is about the red-billed tropicbird monitoring work that we do.
St. Eustatius, affectionately known as Statia, lies in the northern Leeward Islands and is a special municipality of the Netherlands, formerly the Netherlands Antilles. The island is a dry landmass measuring 21 square kilometers, with a dormant volcano, the Quill, to the south, and the remnants of an extinct volcano, Boven, to the north. The population of Statia is just under 4,000 people. St. Eustatius National Parks, STINAPA, is a non-governmental foundation that was founded in 1988. STINAPA is legally mandated by the island government to manage all the island's protected areas, which in total account for 33 kilometers square, more than the land area of St. Eustatius. The red-billed tropicbird is the largest of 3 species of tropicbirds that occur in the tropical Atlantic, Eastern Pacific, and Indian Oceans. It breeds on tropical islands, laying a single egg inside a naturally occurring cavity between boulders or in cliffs. The global population of red-billed tropicbirds is estimated at between 5 and 20,000 individuals, with the current trend described as decreasing. The St. Eustatius breeding population, estimated at between 300 and 500 pairs, represents between 6 and 25% of the global population. Tropicbirds are the only species of seabird known to nest on St. Eustatius, and given their declining status, are a high priority species for conservation. This pelagic seabird breeds between October and June. Incubation time is approximately 40 days, and juveniles remain in the nest for approximately 13 weeks until they are ready to fledge. Breeding success studies conducted on nearby Saba in 2011 and 12 resulted in the discovery of 100% chick mortality due to predation by feral cats at 2 of the island's 3 main nesting sites. For this reason, since 2012, we have sought to investigate the reproductive success of red-billed tropicbirds on St. Eustatius, and to determine whether chick mortality levels are similar to those recorded on Saba. Our goal is to assess the breeding attributes of red-billed tropicbirds on St. Eustatius and to develop baseline data for use in long-term monitoring and management. Whereas feral cats were to blame for chick mortality on Saba, camera traps on Statia documented rats stealing eggs during the 2013-14 season. Rats and cats are introduced species that have contributed to multiple wildlife extinctions on islands. What is it you like about the tropicbird monitoring?
Yeah, I like working with nature, especially with birds. And I want to see how invasive species affect the birds and other environmental things on the island.
What skills and knowledge will you take back with you?
Mainly practical skills, so I will learn how to handle a bird in a good way so it will keep calm, and how to measure the bird and enter the data and those kind of things, really practical things.
Joey, would you recommend this internship to somebody else?
Yeah, definitely. Working with the birds over here is really special. Everything is great, the environment, the species around, a lot of opportunities for different things, so I would really recommend doing it.
We visit the main nesting site, Pilot Hill, once a week. Each nest is marked with a numbered metal tag that is glued to the exterior for easy recognition. We check the contents of each nest. If a bird is present, we extract it and check for a leg band. Adults are measured once, then banded. Eggs are carefully measured, then weighed. Chicks are measured weekly in order to document their growth from hatching to fledging. We also install camera traps in nests with eggs to document predation events. All the data is collected in a field sheet, which is then taken back to the office and entered into an Excel file. A summary file gives an overview of the events that take place at the nesting site. At the end of the breeding season, the data is analysed for hatching success, fledging success, and overall breeding success.
We are currently in our third consecutive year of Tropicbird monitoring. Baseline monitoring will continue until we have 5 years of data. At that time, we'll have a more comprehensive multi-season understanding of the variability, and we'll be able to make informed decisions concerning the management of the species.